यस्सिर ली अमरी वालुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम की दुआ कुरान से मौसूम, ए मेरे रब मेरे लिए मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरा काम आसान कर दे और मेरी ज़बान की गिरह खोल दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सकें। जनाब डॉक्टर आसिफ रज़ा साहब, डायरेक्टर UMT, वसीम नज़ीर साहब, इंजीनियर वसीम नज़ीर साहब, डॉक्टर उस्मान रशीद साहब, डॉक्टर आसिफ नसीर साहब, डॉक्टर तबस्सुम साहब, who was instrumental in reaching me and giving me this honor of being amongst you today. Member of the governing bodies, distinguished guests, professors, faculties, it's indeed an honor to be part of this learned and intellectual community. First of all, I must congratulate when UMT has achieved the top ranking. So congratulations there. While I was talking to the rector Saab, I asked him what's the mix between management and technology in UMT, and I learned that probably there are 4 engineering technologies out here, mostly 3 conventional: civil, mechanical, electrical, and of course management. Today's topic, civil and construction engineering, of course, is very, very close to my heart. 43 years have passed since I graduated from Kennedy Engineering University, and 6 years later I went and did my master's also, majoring in construction management, and for the minor I went to the business school and took some MBA programs on financial management, cost accounting, financing, and one labor management course. Of course, today I've been invited here as chairman of the Pakistan Engineering Council. So firstly, about the Pakistan Engineering Council, and Director Saab very explicitly has mentioned how and where all we are lagging and how much we are bleeding as a nation when the Engineering Council or the engineers of this country, my country, our country, have failed to deliver. Our forefathers back in 1976, when the act was passed for the Pakistan Engineering Council, we must appreciate that they realized the importance of the Pakistan Engineering Council, that this is the only council in Pakistan where it is written in the act that it will function as the think tank for the federal government. The role of the Pakistan Engineering Council was defined. ये मगज था फेडरल गवर्नमेंट का कि इसको जो परफॉर्म करना था दिमाग था, and eyes and ears of the federal government. That was the role defined for the Pakistan Engineering Council. So years have gone by. Unfortunately, Pakistan was taken over by pseudo professionals. When I say that, I don't mean any disrespect for anybody, but people who were not qualified, who were not specialists, who didn't have any know-how about those subjects on which they were taking decisions with impunity. The result, where we are today and what as a nation we are suffering today, is there's no clean drinking water. In a country like Pakistan, which has glaciers, which has rivers, which had tremendous amount of rain every year, we could not manage our water resources, and the result, of course, the problem of food security at times also arrives, because probably we couldn't handle our agriculture despite immense plains and everything, and we couldn't manage our water resources. No clean drinking water for 230 odd million people. Similarly, the energy crisis Why again? Poor decision making of the energy mix. Our neighbor India, where they were, making energy for more than 55% with coal. We went on furnace oil, and because maybe it was quicker, easier, for all the right and wrong reasons. The result, the cost of energy is so high that which is the whole system, whether that's industry, infrastructure, it has become unaffordable, and all the resultant crisis out of it. So the problem of pseudo professionals has to be dealt with, and with responsibility. I'm saying that Pakistan Engineering Council has to play its role, and the engineers of Pakistan, we have to play their role. They have to come forward. We have to maybe fight some battles even in the courts of law. We have to work on the mindset, so that engineers are involved in the core engineering areas of our country. Like I said, water, energy, petroleum, communications, IT, all core engineering areas. The engineers have to be involved hands-on in the decision-making process.